Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 265 to Wi-Fi. First, press and hold the up button on your watch to access the main menu. Scroll down and select Settings. From there, navigate to Connectivity and then choose Wi-Fi. This is the starting point for setting up your wireless connection, ensuring your watch is ready for seamless data transfers and updates. Once in the Wi-Fi menu, select the option to Add Network. Your Forerunner 265 will then begin scanning for available wireless networks in your vicinity. This process usually takes only a few seconds. A list of detected networks will appear on your watch screen. Carefully scroll through the list and select your preferred Wi-Fi network to proceed to the next step. After selecting your network, you will be prompted to enter the password. Use the on-screen keyboard on your Forerunner 265 to input your Wi-Fi password accurately. Take your time to ensure there are no typos. Once entered, confirm the password. Your watch will then attempt to establish a connection with the chosen network. A successful connection will be indicated shortly. Upon successful connection, you will see a confirmation message or a Wi-Fi icon appear on your watch face. Your Garmin Forerunner 265 is now connected to Wi-Fi. This enables automatic activity uploads to Garmin Connect and faster software updates, all without needing your phone nearby. Enjoy the convenience of quick, reliable data synchronization and keeping your device up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.